Hey, what's up guys? So today I replaced my water filter. It's been about 6.5 months. So let's get it open to see what it has and is it worth it to change in 6 months. Alright guys, so let's cut it open. Alrighty guys, so I am running a sediment filter and I'm running all type of filters, and you can see in here it looks horrible. Look at that water that just came out. Look at that. OMG. So you can see this, the filter smells bad, but the water that came out is ridiculous. So yes, do change your filter for your fridge, no matter how much filters you have in your house. Look at that. The water is black. Look at that. Look at this. Horrible. God, dirty. Look at that. Change your filters. OMG. Horrible.